In Malaysia, the forests are mostly dominated by trees from the Dipterocarpaceae family, hence the term Dipterocarp forest. The Dipterocarp forest occurs on dry land from just above sea level to an altitude of about 900 meters. In the tropical rainforest, the type of clay particles present is hard to trap nutrients and stop them rushing away. Hence, the nutrient availability is increased by decomposing the fallen leaves rapidly. The trees spread their roots just under the litter to reabsorb many nutrients. The shallow-rooted trees are supported by the bark trusses. Many types of grass and lower-lying shrubs are difficult to grow to the breadth of the canopy composed of taller trees. As a result, only a little sunlight actually reaches the forest floor. The woody vines, lianas, grow rapidly up the trunks when there is a temporary gap in the canopy and flower and fruit in the tree tops. There is a commensalism relationship between trees and animals. The seed or seed pod is spread by traveling on animals' fur and feathers like monkeys. Then it will fall off and plant itself, growing a new tree. Also, the trees can take out minerals from the decaying animals. Red centipedes, the poisonous insects that live in tropical rainforests, prey on the spiders and earthworms. Also, the birds such as collared kingfisher and mangrove blue flycatcher feed on caterpillars and grasshoppers. Caves are formed by the dissolution of limestone. Rainwater picks up carbon dioxide from the air, and as it percolates through the soil, which turns into a weak acid. This slowly dissolves out the limestone along the joints, leading plants and fractures, some of which become enlarged enough to form caves. Cave ecosystems are characterized by a lack of light and no energy to undergo metabolism activities. As a result, the organisms depend on conductivity to the surface or internal microbial production for energy supply. The humidity level in cave is higher than in the outsides. When the humidity drops, the dry conditions can harm the animals such as salamanders, which breathe through moist skin. Hence, the populations of animals will drop, thus unbalancing the ecosystem of the cave. In the cave, there is a predation relationship between bats and frogs. Bats act as predators and eat frogs that act as prey. Fungi play virtual roles in the ecosystems they inhabit, whether as saprophytes, symbionts, parasites, or food sources. In animals, fungi are found in ears, lungs, intestines, bladder, kidney, animal dung, brain, and skin, may lead to fungal infection. When going to the forest and cave, I feel fortunate because I still have the opportunity to enjoy the beautiful scenery. As responsible citizens, we need to protect and stop destroying the natural ecosystem for the next generation. We should protect our Mother Earth by reduce your carbon dioxide emissions, join nature randomly, and support 3R program. Through the experience, I acquired the analytical and critical thinking skills because I am encouraged to finding the truth of the information obtained just at the conditions of forested and cave ecosystem. I critically analyze information or data from various sources about ecosystems and all the interactions that occur in them. I realized that ecology is the study of the relationship between living organisms, including humans, and their physical environments. Also, I observed that different ecosystems provide different conditions for living organisms.